Mark. Mark, just rip one of the bricks out, bro. Just rip one of the bricks out. Yeah. Just take the brick out. So that it's got somewhere to go. The water's got somewhere to go. It'll go down in the sandbar. Instead of just sitting there.
Might be like a drain, eh?
Yeah, well, it's not big enough to go over that drain. Look, that's why it's not going down.
Yeah.
The drain's too high.
Pull that lid off that drain then.
Well, that way, I've taken the lid off, look, but it needs concrete tapped away from it. It's like that high of concrete, bro.
Oh, you need a sledgehammer.
Yeah, it's like that high of concrete.
Get a sledgehammer, man.
Just take a bit of that concrete off and it'll run down there, but otherwise just take a brick out and let it go down. There's a drain at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, take that plastic thing off and get a sledgehammer and take some of that fucking concrete off.
It's got all that concrete around it, stopping it from going down in the drain.
Yeah.
That's fucked. Yeah.
Just take a brick out, bro.
Will it be in the house by then or what?
If you just take a brick or a slab out, somewhere for it to start seeping in the sand.
I want to die. Style.
Yeah. Rowing me house down the river.
Well, you got home and contents insurance? Yeah? Well, what are you doing sweeping?
Wow.
I'll be more worried if you didn't have home and contents insurance, right?
Man, it's pissing down. That's wicked rain.
Fuck yeah, man. Oh, yeah, a bit of water between your tongue and the fucking ground, eh? I should have.
I'm going to do that.
What's that? Bust that drain open. Have you got a sledgehammer?
Yeah, I've got that blue thing somewhere.
Oh yeah. Hang on. Yeah, hang on. I'll get that blue thing. Where's that blue sledgehammer thing? Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, man. You want this here?
Yeah.
Do you want the axe as well?
Yeah, maybe.
Do you need a hand or what?
I've got to try and get this apart, man.
Is it in 4 sections, eh? It locks in. Nice.
I've been fucking shit.
Good idea, eh?
I win. Go away. You got video of me,
Maybe.
how's that, man? I had to unblock that drain so I could save my house.
Hey. Or it'd be floating away with the rest of them, eh?
That was a good idea.
Yeah.
Hey, Jono.
Even make that crack a little bit bigger, it'll fucking go out heaps quicker. It's still pulled up heaps.
Hey. Where's Jono?
He's in here somewhere.
If you got 2 packs, you're about to do that straight away.
Yeah.
Hey,
Check it out, man.
that's it. I'm giving it somewhere to run to now. But you need to put another one over here, bro. See how you got that drain pipe running down? There should be one under the drain pipe.
Stupid, eh?
Yeah, that shouldn't be there. There should be one under it. There should be one of these sitting under that.
What are you doing there?
He's saving the house.
With the
Yeah.
He's done it. Look.
He's made
There's
a
water somewhere
made a
flowing
drain
through now.
and now it's draining. He's fucking saved the day.
That's unreal, that, right?
Oh, did he
Yeah.
break that?
The pipe, so it'll go down the drain area.
I don't think in summer I've seen anything like it.
No.
I'm telling you, it's just
that's good.
They're dying on the 21st.
Yeah.
They're going to drown.
Nah, they reckon 5 more years though. We're not going to have no water, and it's going to be another 5 degrees hotter in summer, right? Same as in winter. So when you're getting 18 degrees in winter, it's going to be 23. When you get to fucking 45 in fucking summer, it's going to be 50, mate.
Yeah, we'll be
I
fucked,
reckon
eh?
another 5 years.
We'll be fucked.
They were on the news the other night, them scientists were carrying on about it. They reckon another 5 years.
Yeah.
Fucking, it's going to be 5 degrees hotter everywhere you go.
Yeah, we're gonna be fucked, eh?
That's a good idea.
But now at least got somewhere to run to, though. You need one back up here, though. They shouldn't be running down into nothing. See where that brick is? You should just move that brick from under it. That should be a little bit of pipe.
Good tank there.
Put there. Run that way. Run that metal straight up off under the roof and put the tank over there in the corner in the garden.
We should be catching all of them.
You know what to do, our